In the last video, we saw about the payment partner Razorpay required for our e-commerce website. How to sign up, do KYC verification, install the WordPress plugin, and set up the payment gateway. We saw all that. Now we are going to see how to sign up for the delivery partner Shiprocket and do KYC verification. Since we entered the basic details, our account got created in Shiprocket. Next step, immediately what we need to do is click the option called Complete Your KYC. It asks whether you have a GST number or not. If you have a GST number, select yes and enter it. After submitting that, it says KYC has been successfully submitted and for verification. In Shiprocket also, we need to wait for 2 to 3 business days. Just like we waited up to 4 days in Razorpay, within those 2 to 3 days, if it gets verified, you will receive a WhatsApp message like successfully updated and verified from Shiprocket. Next, an important step is setting up the pickup address. You can manually enter it or use the Use My Exact Location option. You can enter your mobile number and you will get a WhatsApp message. After clicking I want to share my location, you can share your location. Next is labels. Once an order comes, we usually print and stick a label on that particular order. All the details about what information should be on that label and in what format are available here. Then finally, label settings. In these settings, you define how you will print and attach labels to orders, or if you want to include an invoice print inside the package. All that I'll explain during the order packing process. Next, an important thing is the wallet at the top right. We will make payments using the amount in this wallet. So you need to load some amount and recharge it. Now we need to add Shiprocket to our website. Go to the WordPress website. There is already a plugin called Shiprocket available in WordPress. Install and activate it. Here it says sign up Shiprocket and get API keys. Since we already signed up, we can log into our Shiprocket account. Then click connect new channel and enter basic details. You will see channel name, brand logo and all details there. Automatically you will get consumer key and consumer secret in the seller panel. Once everything is correct, click sign up Shiprocket and get API key. It will show that the Shiprocket account is successfully linked. Save everything. After saving, it reloads. That's it for setting up Shiprocket. Now first, search Shiprocket on Google. Go to shiprocket.in. Click try for free at the top right and enter your mobile number. Click continue. You will get an OTP on your mobile. Enter it and verify your number. Here, it automatically picked my name. This is because earlier, I had used this number as billing details for another order through a partner. Since the number is linked, Shiprocket fetched the name automatically. If not, you will have to enter basic details manually. Now I click complete your business account, enter full name, company name, email ID and PIN code, then proceed. Next, it asks how you would describe your business. Whether you already run an e-commerce business, just starting or running offline business. Since I'm just starting, I select the first option. Then it asks how many orders you processed last month. Since I'm starting now, I select have not shipped yet. Next, it asks from which platforms customers will place orders. Since we are building an e-commerce website, I select website and enter my domain. If you use multiple channels, you can select multiple options like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. But for now, I select only website, then proceed. Since we entered basic details, our Shiprocket account is created. Next step is to click complete your KYC. It again asks about GST number. If you have it, select and enter it. Then it asks whether it is an individual or small business. I select individual. Enter Aadhaar card details and proceed. You will get an OTP to the mobile linked with Aadhaar. Enter it. After that, it shows verification successful. This is Aadhaar verification, not full KYC. For full KYC verification, if you enter business/GST details, you will get an email to complete it. Here it shows KYC verified because I selected individual. You will also see an option upgrade your KYC now. To upgrade, you need to enter your GST number. Enter GST number, verify OTP and proceed. Now it shows KYC verified. You will also get a WhatsApp message successfully updated and verified. Even after this, you will receive an email asking to complete KYC verification. From the email, click and upload proofs. You will see the page complete your KYC. Select whether it's individual or company. I select sole proprietorship. If partnership, more documents will be required. Now upload documents. Document 1, Aadhaar card, enter ID, full name, upload front and back images. Document 2, PAN card. Enter ID, full name, upload front and back images. Then upload a selfie for manual verification. After that, click submit documents. It says verification will take 2 to 3 business days, up to 72 hours. After submission, it shows KYC has been successfully submitted and for verification. Again, you need to wait 2 to 3 days like Razorpay. But unlike Razorpay, you don't need to pay 200 rupees here. Once verified, you will receive a WhatsApp message successfully updated and verified. That means your account is ready to process orders. After KYC verification, go to your Shiprocket account, set your brand name and upload your website logo. These details will appear in labels and tracking pages, so it's important. Next, check current plan details. We are currently on the free plan. For example, sending a 500 gram package costs around 32 rupees. Courier partners are around 20 plus in free plan, 30 plus in paid plans. You can choose the most cost-effective delivery partner. Shiprocket acts like a bridge between you and multiple courier partners. warehouse. You can select a courier partner manually for each order and pay through Shiprocket. You can manage all orders here. Once you process an order, the delivery partner will come to your pickup location and collect the order. In this section, the paid plan starts at basic 1000 rupees per month, where the cost reduces by 2 rupees per 500 grams, meaning it becomes 30 rupees. After that, it again reduces by 2 rupees per 500 grams to 28 rupees. Then again reduces by 1 rupee per 500 grams to 27 rupees. This is set up to a maximum of 3000 rupees per month. Now, how we usually calculate is, if you are paying 1000 rupees per month, calculate based on total orders and the 2 rupees reduction per 0.5 kilograms, and decide at the end of the month using your income and expenses sheet whether this 1000 rupees plan is worth it or not. Until then, staying on the free late plan is best. But there are some extra options in the paid plan. For example, there is sales channel integration. Since we are only integrating our website, one channel is enough, so the free plan is sufficient. But if you want to integrate Shiprocket into multiple channels like Instagram, WhatsApp automatically, then it's better to go for the paid plan, because in the paid plan you can add up to 2 to 7 channels. Similarly, there is multiple user login and role management. For example, if you have completed full KYC verification and set up your bank account and you don't want to share your main account with the receptionist or order manager, then the paid plan is useful. You can create separate accounts for them with limited access so they can process orders without sharing your main admin login credentials. If you have fewer orders, you won't need all that. For now, the free plan is enough for me. Most useful features are already available in the free plan. The reason there are many options in the free plan is because you pay per order, so that itself is profit for them. Next, an important step is setting up the pickup address. Click Add Pickup Address. You can also set address tags like home, work, or warehouse. You can manually enter it or use my exact location. Enter your mobile number and you will get a WhatsApp message. Click I want to share my location and share your location. Once shared, it will update automatically. You can set whether it is home, work, or warehouse. Check all the details below to make sure everything is correct. Also, verify details you set during account creation. Next, operational timing is very important. When an order comes, the delivery partner will come for pickup. You can set which days and time they should come. For example, Monday to Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can set that your staff will be available during that time. Delivery partners will be notified to pick up within that time. If they miss that time, they will come the next day. Next is labels. When an order comes, we print and stick a label on it. All details about what should be in the label and its format are available here. Set everything and save. Default settings are already enabled. You can review and adjust if needed. Next, billing invoice details. You will need to enter and verify those too. For account security, you can enable two-factor authentication. Finally, label settings. These determine how labels are printed and attached, or whether an invoice is included inside the package. It asks whether you want a document label or standard label. For now, we can keep it as standard. Now, an important thing is the wallet at the top right. Payments will be made from this wallet, so you need to load money into it. For example, the 32 rupees per 500 grams cost will be deducted from here. If you add 200 rupees initially, they give an extra 50 rupees bonus. So you'll have 250 rupees in your Shiprocket balance. Now we need to add Shiprocket to our website. Go to your WordPress website, click plugins, then add plugin and search for Shiprocket. Install and activate it. After that, go to Shiprocket settings. It will take you to WooCommerce shipping tab to Shiprocket configuration. Here it says sign up Shiprocket and get API keys. Since we already signed up, log into your Shiprocket account. Go to setup and manage and click channels. In the free plan, only one channel can be linked. Click connect new channel and enter basic details like channel name and brand logo. You will automatically get consumer key and consumer secret. Enable sync so that when an order is placed on your WordPress website, it reflects here. Only then delivery partners can pick up orders. Keep other settings default. Set whether you offer cash on delivery or not. Click update channel and test connection. Then click sign up Shiprocket and get API key. It will show Shiprocket account linked successfully. Since we were already logged in, it connected automatically. Now the integration ID is picked. Next is fallback shipping rate. For example, if your product weight around 500 grams and costs 32 rupees, you can set 40 rupees as a buffer. Save everything and reload. That's it for setting up Shiprocket. In this part, we saw how to sign up for Shiprocket, do KYC verification, set pickup location, and connect Shiprocket with WordPress using a plugin. Now currently Razorpay is set up and Shiprocket is also set up. Next, we will see how to develop the website. Thank you.